So today I want to start my speech by telling my friends in the BJP and the RSS about the ideas the entire opposition used to defend the idea of India. So I'd like to start by showing an image of our refuge. The first idea in the image that we defend is the idea of confronting our fear, of never being scared. In fact, Shivji places death 1 inch from his neck. Behind the left shoulder of Shivji is the Trishul. The Trishul is not a symbol of violence. It is a symbol of non-violence. That is why it is placed behind his left shoulder. Now, there is a third idea, and that idea, of course, it is a symbol that many of you hate, but that idea is the Abhay Mudra, the symbol of the Congress Party. Abhay Mudra is the idea that it is not good enough to just keep this internal. It is not good enough to not be scared. It is not good enough to use non-violence. It is also important that you make others not scared, that you help others become fearless, that you help others become non-violent. It is not just one religion that talks about courage. So here is the religion of Islam. मतलब इस्लाम में भी कहा गया है कि डरना नहीं. गुरु नानक जी के चित्र में भी आपको अभय मुद्रा दिखाई देगा. गुरु नानक जी भी कहते हैं कि डरो मत, डराओ मत. और जीसस क्राइस्ट की इमेज देखिए, उसमें भी आपको अभय मुद्रा दिखाई देगा. उसके बाद बुद्ध भगवान, अभय मुद्रा, और अंत में महावीर. तो हमारे सारे के सारे महापुरुषों ने अहिंसा की बात की, डर मिटाने की बात की. शिव जी कहते हैं डरो मत, डराओ मत. और जो लोग अपने आप को हिंदू कहते हैं वो 24 घंटा हिंसा हिंसा हिंसा, नफरत नफरत नफरत, असत्य सत्य असत्य. आप हिंदू हो ही नहीं. हिंदू हिंसा नहीं फैला सकता, हिंदू नफरत नहीं फैला सकता. और बीजेपी 24 घंटा नफरत, हिंसा, नफरत, हिंसा, नफरत, हिंसा. ये ठेका नहीं है बीजेपी का. When I became LOP, I realized something that I had not realized before. All my personal dreams, my personal aspirations, my personal fears have to be put aside. I am now actually two people. I'm not one person. I'm a constitutional person, and my job is to be leader of the opposition, to represent all these parties equally. In fact, I don't just represent the Congress party, I represent every single party. And I have to treat every single party with love and affection. Speaker sir, when I shook your hand, you stood straight like this and shook my hand. And when Modi ji shook your hand, you bowed down and shook his hand. इस हाउस में स्पीकर से कोई बड़ा नहीं होता. स्पीकर सबसे बड़ा है. हम सबको स्पीकर के सामने झुकना चाहिए. मैं आपके सामने झुकूंगा और सारा का सारा ऑपोजिशन आपके सामने झुके. ये लोकतंत्र है स्पीकर सर. आप इस हाउस के लीडर हैं. आपको किसी के सामने नहीं झुकना चाहिए. This country has a government and you are the government. As the cabinet, you do not spread fear in this country. Do not spread hatred. Do not spread violence. Do not be fearful. You are individuals and then you have a constitutional position. That is the way this country has to be run. And we as the opposition, don't take us as your enemies. We are not your enemies. We are here. We are sincerely here to make your work easier, as long as you follow the basic principles that we have stated. We want to both work for this country, work with the spirit of bravery, work without violence, work without hatred. Thank you.